Hey everyone, welcome back to Tubify. If you're a tech enthusiast or simply someone looking for the perfect smartwatch, today is your lucky day. We're diving deep into the Google Pixel Watch 3, and I've got all the details you need, including the expected upgrades that might just change the way we think about smartwatches. Stick around to the end for a surprise feature that you won't see coming. Let's get into it. Sleek new design, bigger and better. The Google Pixel Watch 3 is expected to take the design game to a whole new level. We're talking about a more sleek and minimalistic aesthetic, with a possible larger display that fits perfectly on your wrist without compromising on comfort. Expect more premium materials, with a refined finish for both fitness enthusiasts and fashion-forward users. But wait, that's not all. What could make this a game changer? A more durable screen to avoid scratches or cracks. Finally, no more worrying about drops. Advanced health features, more than fitness. Now, let's talk about health tracking, the feature we all want to see improved. The Google Pixel Watch 3 is rumored to bring advanced heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, and possibly even a body temperature sensor. But here's the twist. It could also integrate with Google Fit like never before, giving you a detailed look at your overall wellness. Imagine getting accurate, real-time health data directly on your wrist. Sounds pretty futuristic, right? Game-changing battery life. If there's one thing that smartwatch users always complain about, it's battery life. But the Pixel Watch 3 could finally deliver on that front with longer-lasting power. Expect an upgraded battery that could last 2 days or more on a single charge, even with heavy usage. If Google really pulls this off, it'll be a massive improvement over its competitors. Can you imagine charging it less frequently? Definitely a major plus. Seamless Android integration. One of the biggest selling points of the Pixel Watch series is how it integrates seamlessly with Android devices, especially if you're a Google Pixel user. The Pixel Watch 3 is expected to bring even tighter integration with your phone, so features like notifications, calls, and music control will be smoother than ever. Google Assistant is likely to be even more responsive, making your experience feel more intuitive. Imagine being able to access all your favorite features with just a simple voice command. Enhanced performance, speed, and smoothness. Another significant upgrade, performance. With the latest chipsets, we're expecting a faster, more responsive experience overall. You'll be able to switch between apps without any lag, use fitness tracking features in real time, and stream music without delays. The Google Pixel Watch 3 could bring smooth transitions that make the user experience feel like a breeze. Have you ever experienced a smartwatch that works flawlessly under pressure? This could be it. Better connectivity, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth upgrades. Expect improvements in connectivity as well. The Google Pixel Watch 3 might come with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth upgrades for faster syncing, smoother calls, and better connection stability. With 5G around the corner, the future of connectivity could mean faster, real-time data syncing directly to your watch. This feature is going to make your life a lot easier, especially when you're out and about with no phone in hand. Price and value. Worth the hype? Now, the big question, will it be worth the price? The Google Pixel Watch 3 is likely to be priced slightly higher than its predecessors, but with all these upgrades, it could very well be worth the extra cost. The question is, who's the Pixel Watch 3 really for? Is it the fitness enthusiast, the busy professional, or the tech lover? Stay tuned for my final thoughts on whether this smartwatch is truly worth the investment. But before we wrap up, there's one last feature that might surprise you. So, there you have it. The Google Pixel Watch 3 looks like a strong contender in the smartwatch space with some seriously exciting upgrades. Do you think it's the smartwatch we've all been waiting for? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates on the latest gadgets. Thanks for watching Tubify, and I'll catch you in the next one.